Okay, so y'all got to pardon me if I sound a little upset or a little pissed. I just did a whole walkthrough of a house for 30 minutes with a camera and forgot to press record. So we're gonna start it over and do it again. All right, so we're here in Stone Mountain, and we're gonna do a walkthrough for the second time for me and the first time for y'all. And we're going to tour this home in Stone Mountain again. All right. Immediately to your right, you have a dining room with a wonderful chandelier. A couple of light bulbs need to be replaced. You have a magnificent view. And I'm sorry, y'all, I'm pissed. I walked through this house already. We're gonna walk over here, and you have closet. Lots of storage space. This will be your family room. Some old timers call it a great room. That's fine too. I like this light fixture. Looks like it needs to be screwed back together right there, but you can do that. That's nothing major. Again, another closet space. Nice sized kitchen if you like cooking for the holidays, birthdays, kids' graduations. I like to cook, so this is perfect. You have a pantry here. You have an indoor laundry, so you don't have to do your laundry in the garage like I do. You have a 2-door car garage. Very spacious. You should be able to fit, if you're a person in the big trucks, your big truck should definitely fit in here. Pickup trucks, dualies. Have a hot water tank here in the closet. And we're back inside. Now we already walked through, so we're walking through the great room or the living room, whatever you choose to call it. And to our right, we have bedroom number 1. There are 5 bedrooms in this home. Ample closet space. And you got a bathroom with real tile, not that plastic stuff. Really nice bathroom, nice vanity. And this is your sitting area. And we're back in the front foyer. If you look up, you have a wonderful chandelier. We'll get a closer look up at that in a minute. Looks like the master's that way, so we'll go this way. And again, this catwalk overlooks downstairs. To your right, bedroom number 2. Closet space. Bathroom number 2. Again, tile, no plastic. Bedroom number 3. I don't know if you guys can see that ceiling fan. It's a nice light. And again, you have closet space. I think this light is cool. Gives off this, like, I don't know, crystal effect. I don't know if you guys can catch that on, if you can actually see that on camera. I just think it was cool. So, here's bedroom number 4. Even more closet space. And finally, the master suite. Okay. If you look up at the ceilings, they are nice. They're really nice. I have no idea what they were going for with this lighting fixture, and I would change this out immediately. That's ugly. 1,000 of y'all could disagree with me. That's ugly. I don't care. That's ugly. But it's just a light fixture. It's nothing major. And if you look around, this is a great sitting area. You can have your king size bed right there, 2 nightstands, a dresser here. Me, I like big screen TV, so I might put one here, maybe a chase lounge somewhere over there. Well, right there. And another big screen right there. That's just me. Tell me in the comments what you would do with this place. And here we are. Master bedroom. Whoa, it's a big walk-in closet. Where the light at? Again, they spent money on the light fixtures here. Most of them are pretty nice. This is a nice size walk-in. His and hers closets. Yeah, this one is definitely meant to be his. Oh, that's a luxury toilet. That's one of those Japanese models. I want to buy this house just so I can sit on that toilet. Oh, wow, okay. And here's the vanity, his and hers. Again, more closet space for a linen closet. I like the fixtures. You have a shower with a bench. Are you guys able to see the shower head? I'm kind of a tall guy, so that will work. I probably would change it out, get a different design. Now we're gonna head outside. So now we're here at the back door, checking out the backyard. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me see if I can get over here, get a view of the side. What the hell is that dirt ball doing there? Oh, a tree fell over. Damn. All right, it's 2 ACs on this house. Predictable, 5 bedrooms. 5 spacious bedrooms, too. All right, guys. Let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comment section. Tell me if this works for you. Or do I gotta keep finding you a prime estate until it does work for you? Hit me up. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later.